In today's video, I will show you step by step how to buy official Trump, the new meme coin that just launched that is making big waves in the crypto space. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, let's start. So the first thing that you will need to do is download the Moonshot app. The link will be in the description box below. The Moonshot app allows you to buy the hottest meme coins on the market right now, new meme coins, old meme coins. You will have a ton of different choices. Best of all, it allows you to buy meme coins instantly with your PayPal, with Apple Pay, with your Venmo, with your debit card, with your credit card, with your bank account, whatever method you want to use. So if you do not want to go through multiple exchanges, convert multiple cryptos just so you can get some Solana to buy some meme coins, the Moonshot app is the way to go. Plus the fees are very low as well. Also, the Moonshot app allows you to get some free crypto after you make your first deposit, and you'll be able to have a chance to win anywhere between $3 all the way up to $100 of a random meme coin. So definitely check out the app. So once you have downloaded the app, you're going to open it up and it will look something like this. As you can see, super simple, super clean. And then the first thing that you will need to do is go into the search bar and type in Trump. After you type it in, the official Trump meme coin will show up. So you're simply going to click on it. After you click on it, you are going to see the chart. As you can see right now, it is pumping big time. The market cap is huge. You'll be able to see the chart, the last hour, 4 hours, the last day, and the maximum chart. And when you scroll down, you are going to see even more information about the token, like how many holders, the market cap, the circulating supply, when it was created, all of that important information. Now that you have found the right token, you're simply going to press the giant green button that says buy. Once you press this button, you will ask you to enter in the amount of money that you want to invest in this meme coin. With the Moonshot app, you can invest as little as $1 or you can invest thousands of dollars. It all depends on how much money you want to risk on this meme coin. So after you have entered in the amount of money that you want to invest, you're simply going to slide the bar to the right and it will fill your order instantly. And that is how simple and easy it is to buy the brand new official Trump meme coin. The Moonshot app makes buying meme coins super easy. Best of all, if you make a profit, you can transfer the funds out super easy to your PayPal, Venmo, bank account, wherever you want. That is why I'm a huge fan of this app. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick little video. If you enjoyed it, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you're buying the Trump meme coin. See you in the next video. Peace out.